Hey, designers, let's create this shape in Illustrator. Draw a circle. Fill it with a color. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Let's make a smaller circle. OK. Color it. Again, Object, Path, Offset Path. OK. Color it. Again, Offset Path. OK. Color it. Offset Path. OK. Color. And one last time, Offset Path. OK. Fill it with a color. Now select all. Open Pathfinder. And divide it. Go to Effect, Stylize. Drop Shadow. Y offset 15. X offset 15. My PC is hanging. OK. Now go to Window and open Layers. Move the smaller circles below. OK. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.